Hi, my name is Yvonne and I'm working on my certificate in cosmetology at Georgetown Technical College. I chose the cosmetology program because I'm ready for a career change. I look forward to owning my own salon. I love doing hair. I'm extremely passionate about hair. I have loved doing hair ever since I was really little, and now I'm learning all the technical ways and by the book how to do hair. It's really exciting. There are multiple aspects to cosmetology, everything from facials to manicuring and pedicuring to learning hands-on how to do hair, color, highlights, cutting. In addition, you'll also learn about perms and relaxers. And also we do a couple of salon visits where we get to go and hang out and shadow in an actual salon so we can see what the salon setting is like. I was cutting hair before I walked in the door, and now I'm learning by the book and how to do it right and how to make it look good. My favorite part about studying cosmetology is all of the hands-on experience that you get while you're here. I love being able to actually roll a perm, and we have actual clients that come in, or we can do them on mannequins with real hair, and it's absolutely amazing. I love being able to do hands-on. Hands-on learning, I think, is absolutely amazing. For me, it helps me to remember what I've learned. The hardest part for me was actually changing careers and going back to school. I was really nervous about that, but I'm so glad that I did. I've noticed for some of the younger students that work ethic is really a hard part for them, and it's very important. I'm very passionate about it, and a lot of them are as well. And if you're passionate about hair, I definitely encourage you to look into cosmetology. But be ready to work. Be ready to come in and work through your services. For example, it doesn't sound like a lot, but you have 350 shampoos in this certificate program before you graduate. And along with everything else, with 100 perms that you have to do, 100 colors. So you really have to come in and have a great work ethic. Just feet hit the floor and work. And if I had any advice to give you, there's a couple of things I'd like to share. I definitely, if you're interested in cosmetology, if you're artsy in any way, if you find yourself loving braiding hair or cutting hair or coloring hair. I used to do my own hair and my family's hair all the time. If you love that, I would definitely look into cosmetology. I would look into grants and scholarships. Apply for everything that you can, and because that will help financially. I found some people struggle financially. So definitely apply for grants and apply for scholarships. This program may be a little different than what you might expect. Yes, it's great, it's fun, it's hands-on, but we also have classroom work. So studying is a very big aspect to cosmetology school. And one of my biggest fears was going back to school, but I love it. And as long as you put in your time, your grades are going to show it. I am working towards taking a state board exam, as you will also. And so you want to put in the hours needed for study at home, study in the classroom. You'll be testing every week, working towards your state board exam. So I do encourage you, if your study habits are poor, if you decide to go into cosmetology, you're going to have to step that up because you're really going to need to know your stuff.